हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेज। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें स्टैटिस्टिक्स चैप्टर 13 इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर 13। दिस इज द सिक्स्थ लेक्चर। दिस इज द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज इन दिस चैप्टर 13, 13.3. टुडे वी हैव टू डू मीडियन. Concept is median in this exercise. Two concepts has been done: mean and mode. Central tendency having the 3 centers: mean, mode and median. So third is median. Now median is the absolute in center. I told in these all three median is absolute in center, exact. So this you remember in all these three, and then you write today one relation in all these three median, is equal to twice of mean plus mode. This is the relation: twice of mean plus mode. This is the relation between these three. Okay, you remember this relation. Okay, remember this relation. Three median equal to 2 mean plus mode. If any one question you are calculating all these three, then this is the truth relation: right hand equal to left hand, identity in these three. Now this question of this exercise 13.3, question number 4 up to question 3 has been done in the last lecture number 5. This is the lecture number 6. Okay, now question 4, length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured. These are the 40 leaves. Okay, so these length in millimeter measured. So length is given a 118 to 126. 3 leaves are there: 127, say 135, 136. So these limits given in the question, and 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. These are the here leaves given. So these are frequency. Okay beta, so these are called the frequency. Okay, and this data we can take, but before taking we observe here these upper limit and the lower limit of the next are not equal. Here 126, then 127 से शुरू हुआ, 135, then 136. So it means these are not the continuous limit. So we should convert first in continuous limit, or we can say that truth limit. So in the truth limit convert 0.05 डाउन टेकन एंड 0.05 अप टेकन. देन 118 में से 0.05 डाउन कर दिया, 117.5 टू 126.5. देन 127 में से 0.5 डिलीट किया, डाउन किया, माइनस किया, तो 126.5. देन दीज आर द कंटिन्यूअस नाउ, सो कन्वर्ट इनटू कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, like this, 0.5 down and 0.5 up, then all will be upper and the lower limit of the next will be equal. So like this converted, and then you use here what we have to find in the question, saying that that correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. This, okay, find the median length of the leaves. So median length of the leaves we have to find. Okay, now median we have to find. So for the median, what is required? Cumulative frequency is required. So make cumulative frequency. Cumulative means sum of all the frequencies for any one class all the preceding class frequency sum. So this is the only 3 preceding not there. Then 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 is the cumulative frequency of second group. Then third group, 8 plus 9, 17 is the cumulative frequency of third group, and similarly forward. 17 plus 12, 29, फिर plus 5, then 34, plus 4, then 38, then plus 2, then 40. So these are total 40. So summation Fi also 14. Okay beta. Now for the median, what is required? Median class. So first we have to observe here and we have to calculate here what is the median class for these data. So here you can see what is the n is equal to 40. So 40 divided by 2th observation. So this is the this observation. ठीक है बेटा, this observation class median class. ठीक है, median class we have to find by this formula कि how many total observation divided by 2th observation class is called the median class. So median class 20th observation. See here will be 20th observations up to 17th observation here. 18, 19, 20, 20 and 12 observation here. So means 20 in this 29. Okay beta. So this is your median class. You should write median class is equal, this is 144.5 to 153.5. Okay, 153 minus 144. ठीक है, upper limit minus lower limit. This is the difference. H class size. So class size here how much? 9. 153 minus 144, then 9. Okay, 0.5 deleted. So 126.5 minus 117.5. So 126 minus 117, 9. Okay. So that H is 9 here. So write all the information. H is equal to 9. What is the lower limit L? That is here lower limit of the median class 144.5. After finalize the median class, we have to take the all values which required for the formula H, L. After that, what is required? Frequency of the median class F. What is the frequency of median class? This is 12. Okay, median class frequency F. After that, CF you want for the formula. CF is called the cumulative frequency of the one preceding class of the median class. So one preceding class of median class cumulative frequency is 17 here in this question. So this is 17. After that, what is required? N also required. And here how many? 40 leaves are there. So total number of observation 40. Summation F. Okay. Then after that, what is formula? Use the formula. What is formula? Median is equal to lower limit. Formula also I am writing. You have done in the last lecture n by 2 minus CF. Okay, n by 2 minus CF whole divided by F, frequency of the median class, and into H. This. So now here calculate after putting all the values. L lower limit 144.5, this is L, plus then n by 2 40 by 2, then 20 minus CF, CF is here 17. Okay beta, and whole divide by this F. F is the frequency, that is 12, and into H. H is here 9, into 9. Okay, then simplify. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. Okay beta, then forward, this implies 144.5 as it is, plus 20 minus 17, 3, and 3 outside multiply. 3 3 is 9 upon 4, then 9 upon 4 in decimal. 4 2 is 8, 1, then decimal 0, 10, 4 2 is 8 again, then 20, 4 5 is 20, so 2.25. So then 144.5 plus 4 2 is 8, 10, then 4 2 is 8, then 20, 4 5 is 20. Okay beta, after divide, then add these, this is your median. So your median answer is 144 plus 2, 146.5 and 0.25, then 0.75. Then, and it is in millimeter. So unit must be written. So this is your median answer. Done. So like this you can do. Now next question number 5 in NCERT book. What is question 5? And this formula you remember, 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Relation between these 3 central tendency means 3 concepts, 3 points. This now question number 2 means 6. Question number next is 5. What is question 5? Okay, question 5 is in NCERT book, the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamp. Find the median lifetime of the lamp, median. Okay, same question here. This data 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, here 500 का गैप है, that is h. You can do that. And number of lamps 14, 56, 60. So similarly as question number 4 we have done, 5 you can do by on. Okay, clear? Now 6th question I am doing. Now question number 6. Question 6 is 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory. At random कितने नंबर? 100 telephone directory. And the frequency distribution of the number of letters. अब number of letters in the English alphabets, in the surnames, and whatever the surname of that person who are the telephone consumer, we can say surname spelling of the name in English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follow. तो number of letters, कितने लेटर्स हैं उसमें, ठीक है, सरनेम में लेटर्स वो काउंट किए गए, लेटर काउंट किए गए, दैट आर द डाटा हेयर इन द सरनेम इन इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स लेटर्स हाउ मैनी यूज्ड, ओके, दैट एंड नंबर ऑफ सरनेम्स, कितने सरनेम हैं ऐसे जिनमें लेटर 1 से 4 यूज हुआ, 6 सरनेम्स आर देयर, एंड नंबर लेटर्स 4 to 7 लेटर यूज हुए, वे कितने ऐसे सरनेम्स हैं, दैट आर हेयर 30 सरनेम्स, ओके. तो लाइक दिस हेयर डाटा गिवन, तो यू कैन डू दैट. देन 1 to 4 नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स, ठीक है बेटा. तो देन नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स, ठीक है बेटा, LETTERS letters. Number of surnames, अब number of surname, ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ सरनेम्स, कितने सरनेम्स हैं, ठीक है बेटा, जिनमें लेटर यूज हुए 1 to 4 लेटर यूज हुए, वो सरनेम कितने हैं ऐसे 6 टेलीफोन कंज्यूमर्स आर देयर, सरनेम दिस 1 to 4, देन 4 to 7, 4 to 7 हाउ मैनी 30 पर्सन्स आर देयर, जिनके नेम में 4 से 7 लेटर यूज हुए, 4 या 5 या 6, 7, ठीक है. देन ऐसे पर्सन्स जिनमें 7 to 10 लेटर्स यूज हुए, दैट फिर 10 to 13 सिमिलरली 10 to 13, देन 13 to 16, and then 16 to 19 last. These surnames are 630, question number 6, 630, 40, then 40 consumers that telephone, and then after that 16, 4, 4, 16, then 4, then 4, okay. So these are the consumers name, how many consumers, number of consumers, so these are called the frequency here, ठीक है बेटा, these are frequency, and data here number of letters. okay, and group same है 1 to 4, 4 to 7, okay. Truth limits are there, upper limit is equal to lower limit of the neck, then okay, then we have to calculate the CF only, okay. Now in this question also what we have to find, you see that what's saying find the mean number of the letter in the surnames, mean number of letter, not here median, asking mean. Also find the modal size of the surname and modal also, mode also, these two, and determine the median number of letters in the surname, all three. तो मीडियन के लिए CF भी चाहिए, फिर उसके लिए मीन के लिए बेटा क्या चाहिए, फॉर द मीन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द एक्स एंड डाटा, एक्स डाटा चाहिए, तो देन डाटा हेयर यू कैन मेक, ओके, डाटा हेयर यू कैन मेक, ओके बेटा. डाटा मीन्स मिड, 1 और 4 का मिड बेटा कितना आएगा 2.5, 1 और 4 का मिड, add both, divide by 2, 1 plus 4 5, 5 divide by 2, then 2.5. Similarly here, then it will be 3 to 5.5, okay. 3 का डिफरेंस है, 3 ऐड करो, then 8.5, then 3 ऐड किया, then 11.5, then 3 ऐड कर दो, then 14.5, then 3 ऐड कर दो, then 17.5 last, okay. These are the x. What are these? X data, इनका मीन निकालना है, ओके. नाउ आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल टेक, म्यू आई विल टेक, कौन सा मेथड यूज करेंगे इन द मीन, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड. तो म्यू आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग, फार्मूला ऑफ म्यू इज xi minus a divide by h, okay, 1 upon h, and here a is the mid center data, mid data, center data of all the data. Center means here 3 and 3, these are 6 here total, 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो in these 6 data center में 2 डाटा बन रहे हैं, इनमें से कोई भी एक ले सकते हैं. तो आई एम टेकिंग 8.5, ओके, 8.5. You may take here any one out of these two which are in center, because if total number of group even, then 2 group will be in center. So 2 mid X will be there, so take any one, it is your choice. If one student taking first one, other is second one, both answer will come correct, calculate that. Okay. Now A K according this, and H is here. This also must be written, upper limit minus lower limit, that is here 3. Class interval or class size H. Then calculate here this also, and after that what is required? Product of these both, mu I into fi, यानी डाटा के प्लेस पर आप म्यू आई आ गया, वो छोटा हो जाएगा. कैसे देखो, सी एफ बनाओ पहले. 6 प्लस 36, फर्स्ट मीडियन कैलकुलेट करो. 36 प्लस 40 76 प्लस 16 6 12, कैरी 1 7 1 8 and 1 9. 92 plus 4, then 96 plus 4, then 100. तो टोटल 100, तो समेशन ऑफ Fi इज इक्वल टू 100 यहाँ पर ऐसे कंज्यूमर्स हैं, 100 आपके टेलीफोन नंबर सरनेम है उनके पास, ठीक है। तो देन हेयर वी कैन कैलकुलेट द म्यू आल्सो टू कैलकुलेट द मीन, ओके। आई एम मेकिंग सॉल्यूशन टेबल फॉर द ऑल 3, देन यू मेक हेयर म्यू आई एक्स आई डाटा, ध्यान देंगे 2.5 है एक्स आई और मिड है 8.5, तो 8.5 में से 2.5 निकल गया, 6 बच गया, ठीक है बेटा। तो -6, तो -6 this difference and divide by h is 3, then how much will come? -2. So similarly this will be -1, similarly this will be 0, and this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. These are mu I. Then multiply with frequency. So 6 into 2 -12, okay beta. Then 30 into -1 -30, 40 into 0 0, 16 into 1 16, then 4 into 2 4 2 is 8, and then 4 into 3 4 3 is 12. So simple. Then summation of mu I Fi is equal, नेगेटिव ऐड किया पॉजिटिव एंड डिफरेंस, तो हेयर नेगेटिव बन गए 42, एंड दीज आर 12 + 8 20 36, दीज आर 36, ओके बेटा, and these are -42, तो -42 and +36 and sum, तो नेगेटिव and पॉजिटिव, then difference will come, then 42 and 36 नेगेटिव मोर है, तो 36 + 8 42, ओके, नहीं 36 + 6, सॉरी 36 + 6, ओके, 36 + 6 42, then -6. So this also we have to use, this also we have to use. Now first median, तो median में direct I am writing all lower limit of the median class. Median class also we have to select 100 divided by 2, 50th observation, 50th observation will be here in 76, okay beta. Then median class is 7 to 10, तो 7 is the lower limit, ठीक है। h is equal to 3, एंड मीडियन के लिए मीडियन क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी f, मीडियन क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी f इज 40, ओके बेटा। CF मीडियन क्लास 1 प्रीसीडिंग क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो ये दिस इज 36 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 प्रीसीडिंग ऑफ मीडियन क्लास, देन 36, देन मीडियन इज इक्वल टू लोअर लिमिट L is 7 plus, okay beta, n/2 formula I have written in last question, here I am taking direct, so n/2 means n is here 100 by 2, then 50 minus CF is your 36, putting all the values and divide by f is 40 and frequency of median class and into h class size, that is 3 here. Then simplify, then median is equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36, 14. 14 divided by 40. 14 divided by 40 into 3. Then 2 7 ja 14 and 2 20 ja 40. Then 7 plus 7 3 ja 21 upon 20. Okay, then in decimal this will be 7 as it is plus 21 ja 20, 1 remainder taken, 0 10 decimal, then 10 not going table, then put the 0, then 100, then 20 table, 25 ja 100, तो 1.05, तो 7 plus 1.05 that will be median. तो median equal to 7 plus 1.05, then 8.05. These are the number of letters. These, तो इनको राउंड में लेटर्स तो राउंड में लेंगे, then is equal to 8 letters. 8 letters. This is the median letters, 8 letters. Now second point, you calculate mean. चलो पहले mean calculate कर दो, मोड बाद में. Okay बेटा. Now mean means x bar. What is formula? Write the formula first. Assume mean A. Step deviation method. So then summation of mu I fi divided by summation of fi whole into h, step deviation method. Then mean is equal to, assume mean A here 8.5 plus this minus 6, तो प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज -6 समेशन, तो माइनस प्लस -6 अपॉन समेशन है 500 एंड h here highest h class size only 3. Okay, then simplify to 8.5 minus 6 3 जा 18 divided by 100, तो 0.18, 18 divided by 100 0.18. Then subtract, then 50 minus 18, 50 minus 18 to 20, then 2, then 32. Okay, then 50 में से then 32, तो 8.32. Okay बेटा, this is your mean. तो राउंडिंग ये भी 8, ये भी राउंडिंग में 8 ही बनेगा. ओके बेटा, तो राइट दिस ओनली. देन मोड फॉर दिस, मोड का फॉर्मूला, मोड लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द मोड क्लास. अब मोड क्लास कौन सा है यहाँ? हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 40 सेम. दिस इज मोड क्लास. व्हाट इज मीडियन? Mode also same. Mode class also same. व्हाट इज मीडियन क्लास? ओके बेटा, मोड क्लास दिस. So lower limit is 7. Then I am putting writing formula first. Lower limit plus formula summation of f1 minus f0 divided by twice f1 minus f0 minus f2. ओके बेटा, तो दिस फॉर्मूला and into h. Now putting the values, so mode is equal to L is lower limit of the mode class, that is 7, plus f1 is the frequency of mode class. Frequency is called f1 and one preceding is f0. f0 is 30 and one succeeding class is f2. ठीक है, frequency. Then f1 is 40. Putting here all these values, 40 minus, okay beta, then 40 minus f0 is 30 upon 2f1, तो 2 into 40 80 बेटा, minus f0 30 minus f2, f2 is 16, this and whole into h, h is 3 into 3, then simplify, then mode is equal to seven plus 40 minus 30, 10, 10 into 3, 30 divided by 80 minus 30 minus 16, तो minus 30 minus 16 ऐड किया 46, तो minus 46 subtract from the 80, 80 में से 46, 34, ओके, 34 एंड 46 80 होता है. ओके, देन सिंप्लीफाई. ओके, दिस इज 15 अपॉन 17, 2 से डिवाइड हो गया. ओके, देन इट इज 7 प्लस, देन 0.17 टेबल नहीं जा रहा, 0.150, 17 9 जा नो 9 7 जा 63, 9 1 जा 9 प्लस 6 15, 17 9 जा 153 ज़्यादा हो गया, देन 8 जा, तो 17 8 जा, ओके 136, ओके 17 8 जा 136, तो 150 minus 136, then 14, okay 140, then 140 में टेबल, देन अगेन 8 जा, ओके अगेन 8 जा 140 में 136, देन बचा 4 40, तो देन 2 जा एंड सो ऑन, तो छोड़ देंगे इसको, तो 7 प्लस दिस, तो वी कैन राइट अप्रोक्सीमेटली टू प्लेस 7.8 8. तो दिस इज योर मोड, ठीक है बेटा। तो मोड को अगर देखो ये भी अप्रोचिंग टू 8 हो गया, तो ये भी राउंडिंग में 8 लिखा जा सकता है, ठीक है। मोर देन 5 है प्लेस 9 बनता है, 9 मीन्स वो इधर होल नंबर 8 हो जाएगा और लेटर वहाँ भी 8 है और ये मीन भी 8 है, तो ऑल 3 8, ओके, अप्रोचिंग टू 8, डन। तो लाइक दिस वी कैन राइट आंसर। नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ओके। ऑल 3 कैलकुलेट हो गया, पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज हो गया, यहाँ पर फुल चैप्टर रिवाइज्ड है। ऑल 3 कैलकुलेटेड, ऑल 3 formulas I told you in this question, okay. Now last question we can do. हाँ जी, now this question number 7 बेटा। In the question number 7 is the distribution below given the weight of 30 students, okay, in a class. Find the median weight of the students. तो weight of the students in kilogram, 40 to 45 kilogram weight. How many number of students? 2. 45 to 53, 50 to 55 kilogram weight वाले 8 students and such like on that, ठीक है। Now find the weight, median weight. Median means cumulative frequency we have to make, okay. Cumulative frequency we have to find. Then 2 is 2, no preceding. Then second group cumulative 3 plus 2 5. Then third 8 plus 5. Cumulative means sum of all the preceding class frequency. With that 8 plus 5 13. Then 13 plus 6 19. Then 19 plus 6 25. Then 25 plus 3 28 plus 2, then 30. These are 30 students in a class. तो summation f we can say, or n we can say, that is here 30, okay. This, then this is called n, and if n is 30 तो median class, so median class n by 2th observation class, n by 2th observation class, तो n by 2 means 15th observation class, 30 by 2 15th observation class, ठीक है बेटा। तो 15th observation class is the median class. Then it is here 15th. C in the cumulative frequency, it is in the 19. 13 के बाद 15 is in the 19 cumulative. Then means this is your 55 to 60. तो median group your 55 to 60. So lower limit of the median class L is equal to 55 here, and H class size here 40 to 45, 45 to 50, that upper limit minus lower limit, that is here class interval or class size, it is 5. Now what is the frequency of the median class? Median class frequency is 6 frequency F, and cumulative frequency of the one preceding class of the median class, this is 13. 13 is here CF. Okay. One preceding class of the median class cumulative frequency CF, and then N here you know, and we used here when is 30. Then formula, find the median. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Then put the values. L is lower limit 55 plus N is 30, 30 divided by 2, then 15 minus CF. CF is your 13 divided by F. F is your 6 into H. H your 5 into 5. Now simplify. This is your median weight 55 plus 15 minus 3 2 upon 6 into 5. Then 2 5 are 10, 10 upon 6, 1.10 upon 6. Simplify in decimal. 10 upon 6 means 6 1 ja 6. 10 minus 6 4, 40. 6 का टेबल, 6 6 जा 36. Then 4 40, फिर 6 6 जा 36, then 40, and so on. So this will be 67. 1.67 add in 55, then 56.67 approximately. This is your weight in kilogram. This is your median. Okay beta? So median is equal to this. Answer done. So you subscribe, you take interest, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and say them or guide them कि you watch, take interest and like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the forward to others, contact and guide to them same, and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.